This week we were running an applications training course for real-time PCR, and using real-time PCR technology as the core and the different applications and technologies that could be incorporated into this particular workflow. I think we've had a great response from the participants so far. We've had everything from undergrads to postgrads and PhD students participating in this course, and they've been learning techniques that are not only going to help them for their projects right now, but it's going to teach them a technique that's going to help them in their careers in future as well. At Thermo Fisher, our aim or our mission is to enable our customers to make the world healthier, cleaner and safer. And part of that mission is involved in training our customers up to improve the level of scientific skill and technology within the country. And by teaching them the technologies, teaching them the skills and promoting technical skill transfer, we're able to improve the state of science as a whole in the country. So I would like to give a big thank you to the DIPLOMICS network for sponsoring a lot of this training. They have partnered with the Thermo Fisher scientific technical teams in order to provide this technical training to a lot of our PDI institutions, our universities, and aiming to increase the level of science at the grassroots level.